Hi guys, today we will be playing with these beads from IKEA, and you also need the board, which is a circle, a square, a bigger square, and a heart. All the boards come in one set and the beads come in a different set. Plus the boards come with two sheets. Like when you finish your design, you put the sheets over your design and then you melt it with the iron thing. And I have a bowl here because I don't actually want to spill. And I have made a little bit of design with it. A rose, my name, and a bunch of other things. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold this up. And I'm just going to do a simple small design because the big ones take forever. I'm going to use this one because it's not melted. Like the heart, my mom accidentally melted it here, and the square also melted from like this edge there. So did the circle, but not a lot. But you could buy some new boards. But let's start. So yeah, I'm just gonna make an L. Let's use red and orange, yellow, green, next row, blue, purple, and pink. Plus, you have to focus on this or else it will get destroyed. Like when I was in kindergarten, I used to play with this and it got destroyed a lot. Also, if you want to get different colored beads, maybe you could check it out at Target. Because there's not different shades of color in this. Okay, so I'm nearly done with this thing. I need a few more white and then I'm done. Then I'm going to put a baking sheet on top of this and use the iron thingy to melt it. So now we put the baking sheet on the design, okay? And before you have to heat your iron, okay, that's good enough. And then you melt it. And also, when you're done, don't pull off the baking sheet right away. You need to let it cool down, and sometimes when you do that, all the beads just fall off and your design gets ruined. So when you're done, you should wait for it to cool down. And if you don't know how to use the iron, let an adult do this. So I think this should be good enough. Yay! But if it's sometimes stuck, you could use a fork and pull it out. And if you want, you could make a tiny little design and then you
you could buy a keychain and put it inside it, like if there's even any holes in it. Yeah, I need to wait for this to cool down. Okay, so I finished this. I pulled it out. My board is a little bit destroyed. Yeah, and for some reason some of my whites turned out to be clear a little bit. And if you want to, like, I don't know, put a keychain inside, sometimes there's like this hole inside. You just need to pop it with a pencil or something. And then you could put a string or a chain or whatever. But yeah, this is my finished design. And see you guys next time. Bye.